How does information hierarchy help summarize textbooks? Imagine trying to find your way through a huge maze without a map. It would be confusing and take forever. That's what studying without a clear structure can feel like. When you understand how information is organized in a textbook, it becomes much easier to pick out what really matters. Textbooks are usually built with a hierarchy in mind. They start with broad ideas at the top, like main themes or big concepts. These are broken down into smaller parts, such as sections and subsections, which focus on specific details or examples. Recognizing this structure helps you see what is most important and what is supporting information. Before you even read in detail, you can skim the headings, subheadings, and highlighted words. This gives you a quick mental map of the chapter. You'll know where the main ideas are and how the details fit around them. This previewing step saves time and helps you focus on what really counts when you start reading. When you summarize, the hierarchy guides you to focus on the main points first. You write down the big ideas from the chapter or section. Then, you add supporting details only if they help explain or reinforce those main ideas. This keeps your summary clear and not cluttered with minor points. It also makes reviewing easier because you remember the main ideas more easily. Using tools like outlines, mind maps, or tables helps you organize information in the same order as the textbook. For example, an outline might list the main topics as big bullet points, with smaller indented points underneath for details. This visual setup makes it simple to see the flow of ideas and recall the information later. Applying the idea of hierarchy in your study routine also encourages active learning. You can quickly skim to find key themes, highlight main ideas while reading, and gradually condense complex information into simple summaries. This process helps you understand how ideas connect and make studying more efficient. In short, understanding how information is arranged in a textbook acts like a guide. It helps you identify what's most important, organize your notes logically, and create summaries that are easy to review. This approach saves time, improves clarity, and makes studying more effective overall.